Hello beautifuls, welcome to Kalamandir episode. I'm Radhika. In today's episode, our collection is Maheshwari silk sarees at flat 30%. So let me explain how to shop with Kalamandir. There are two simple ways. In the description, you'll be providing all the saree codes. Just click on your favorite saree code. It will take to our website. From there you can shop very easily. Number 2, while I'm showcasing the sarees, just take a screenshot along with the code and share us on the number 9852 985299. All over India, shipping process is free and cash on delivery option is also available. A very lovely yellow color saree. All over body we have got this abstract design. It's a kalamkari print, triangle print, and let's check border. It's a floral zal printed border along with the silver zari khadi, and edge is highlighted with this plain contrast. Let's check pallu. Contrast pallu with hues floral and also lovely that bird motif. So here comes contrast printed blouse along with the border. Saree code is BY273. Actual price 1700. Offer price 1190. Next saree. A very lovely beige color saree. Maheshwari silk saree. All over body we have got this bird's print and also figure print. Border, another kind of pattern, print, design, and also zari khadi border. Let's check pallu. Printed pallu. So here comes contrast printed blouse along with border. Saree code is BY276. Actual price 1700. Offer price 1190. So beautifuls, while purchasing, if you are facing any issues, just drop a message on our WhatsApp number 9852 985299. Our customer support team will get back to you and assist you to resolve all your issues. Next saree. Here comes mustard yellow color. All over body, a lovely leaf print and also floral zal. Completely we have got a print design. And thus the border with a geometric design print and also zari khadi. Let's check pallu. Contrast geometric printed pallu along with tassels in the edge. And this saree paired up with a contrast printed blouse along with zari border. Saree code is BY274. Actual price 1700. Offer price 1190. Next saree. A multicolor saree again. Maheshwari silk saree with a lovely print implemented throughout the saree. That's the kalamkari print. Semicircle blocks. And border, printed border with peacocks and florals, edges highlighted with plain contrast and also silver zari khadi. Let's check pallu. Contrast pallu with huge peacock motifs and also trees, very classic design along with the tassels. The saree paired with a contrast printed blouse along with the zari border. Saree code is BY272. Actual price 1700. Offer price 1190. Next saree. Sky blue color, very lovely saree. All over body we have got this geometric print. That's the kalamkari print. And border, printed border, floral border, and also silver zari khadi. Edges highlighted with this plain contrast. Pallu, contrast printed pallu with peacocks and also tree motifs and florals. Here comes contrast printed blouse along with the border. The saree code is BY260. Actual price 1700. Offer price 1190. And beautifuls, for more collections you can also visit our stores which are located in Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Karnataka. Next saree. A very lovely orange color saree with shiburi print all over the body. And border, contrast border with floral print and also zari khadi. Pallu contrast with huge floral print and also cute finishing with tassels. So here comes contrast printed blouse along with border. The saree code is BY265. Actual price 1700. Offer price 1190. Next saree. A very lovely trendy color, olive green color, Maheshwari silk saree. All over body we have got this floral print and thus the border with zigzag print and also zari khadi in gold. Pallu contrast with zigzag print and also finishing with tassels. So here comes printed blouse with border. The saree code BY262. Actual price 1700. Offer price 1190. So beautifuls, while purchasing, if you are facing any issues, just drop a message on our WhatsApp number 9852 985299. Our customer support team will get back to you and assist you to resolve all your issues. Next saree. So here comes mustard yellow and orange color mix saree. All over body we have got this shiburi print. This is a contrast printed border with silver zari khadi. Pallu contrast with floral print and also peacock motifs, very classic design. So here comes rose florals printed blouse along with border. The saree code is BY279. Actual price 1700, offer price 1190. Next saree. So here comes multi-color Maheshwari silk saree. All over body we have got this abstract design, multi-shade, and this is the contrast floral printed border along with the silver zari khadi. Pallu, contrast printed pallu with florals. So here comes contrast printed blouse with border. Saree code BY261. Actual price 1700. Offer price 1190. Next saree. Very lovely orange and sea green color mixed shades. All over body we have got this abstract design. And this is the printed border with florals aligned in this semicircles. Pallu, contrast with temple motifs. Wow, that's such a beautiful cultural representation. Here comes contrast printed blouse. Saree code BY278. Actual price 1700. Offer price 1190. Next saree. So here is the last saree in this episode. A very beautiful multicolor saree. All over body we have got this kalamkari print, geometric print. And thus the border, contrast border with floral print, and also edges highlighted with orange. Pallu, contrast printed pallu, and also cute finishing with tassel. Here comes printed blouse with border. The saree code BY282. Actual price 1700. Offer price 1190. So how is the collection, beautifuls? We have showcased Maheshwari silk sarees at flat 30%. So don't miss this offer. Grab your favorite saree, just take a screenshot along with the code and share it on the number 9852985299. For more collections, you can also follow us on our digital platforms like Instagram, Kalamandir Fashions, Facebook, Kalamandir, and YouTube, Kalamandir. Subscribe to our channel and also click on the bell icon for new video notifications. See you in the next episode with another lovely collection. Until then, keep smiling. This is your Radhika. Bye-bye.
హాయ్, నేను మీ మీనా వాసు. మీ ఇంట్లో ప్రతి ఒక్క అకేషన్కి కళామందిర్లోనే షాపింగ్ చేయండి. వెరీ ఫ్రెండ్లీ అండ్ బడ్జెట్ షాపింగ్ అండి. ఆన్లైన్లో కూడా అందుబాటులో ఉంది. డూ ఫాలో ఇన్స్టా కళామందిర్ ఫ్యాషన్స్, యూట్యూబ్ అండ్ ఫేస్బుక్ కళామందిర్. కళామందిర్ షోరూమ్స్ కర్ణాటక, తెలంగాణ, ఆంధ్రాలో ఉన్నాయి. నమస్తే.